We've all experienced that frustrating moment of searching through countless folders, attempting to remember file names scattered across iCloud, Dropbox, Google Drive, or hidden on that ancient MacBook or USB from 2017. It's a lost cause. But that's changing. Our interaction with files is being transformed entirely through semantic search, vector databases, intelligent agents, and AI file clouds that resonate with your thinking. Let's break down the main concept. Instead of organizing files by names or folders, AI categorizes them based on context, intent, and meaning. For instance, you might say, "Show me the contract I signed with the video editor last summer," and AI will locate it, even if you never labeled it or forgot the date. How does it do this? Modern cloud systems such as iCloud Drive featuring Spotlight AI, Google Drive equipped with Gemini 1.5, and Notion AI File Assistant utilize semantic indexing and OCR scanning. They analyze file content beyond metadata, reading inside PDFs, listening to audio, and even deciphering handwritten notes. You can search using natural language, like saying, "Find the budget spreadsheet estimating TikTok ad costs for Q2." AI understands this request, locates the spreadsheet, and highlights the relevant details. This capability arises from advanced transformers, like GPT-4o or Claude, which grasp human language intuitively. The result? No more rigid filename requirements or endless navigation through folders labeled stuff, final_v2_real, or untitled. You can search as you naturally speak, and the more you engage with it, the smarter it becomes. Let's discuss file types. AI comprehensively reads PDFs, docs, sheets, slides, photos, videos, voice memos, compressed folders, and even scanned receipts. That fuzzy parking ticket photo from 2019? AI extracts license plate details, dates, and locations. That iPhone lecture video? It transcribes, indexes it by speaker, and tags important moments. Ask AI to find the part explaining cloud architecture, and it will jump to that segment instantly. Your files evolve from being static to a vibrant, searchable memory. Now, let's layer in intelligent tagging and automation. Whenever you create or download a file, AI tags it based on project names, involved people, deadlines, emotional tones, keywords, and usage frequency. Upload a contract, and it's immediately tagged with legal, client, Q3 2025, and signed. Record a voice memo about a project, and tags of creative, YouTube, and pending action are applied. Spotlight Search on your MacBook or iPad analyzes these AI tags and summaries. Ask Siri on your iPhone for a note you made during a stressful Monday meeting, and it retrieves your mental health log entry. This merges emotional memory with file recovery. But what happens to files you might have forgotten? This is where proactive AI excels. Tools like Apple's Smart Reminders or Google's Gemini memory cards assess patterns to present files even before you think to ask. Planning a trip? Your cloud will suggest past itineraries, flight receipts, packing lists, and travel photos. Filing taxes? It unearths every receipt, invoice, and form you have stored. The AI remembers what you didn't. Let's consider cross-device functionality. Start editing a document on your iPad. Your iPhone intelligently caches relevant notes and files. Ask, "Add that quote from last week's interview," and your Apple Watch finds the transcript. Meanwhile, your Mac's Finder displays a curated, smart stack of files connected to your calendar and emails. Your devices operate as extensions of your memory, interconnected and responsive. Even more cutting edge? Voice-only retrieval. Say, "Hey Siri, show me the graphic I sketched in Procreate in January about smart homes," and the file opens. Personal file agents like Rewind. AI or MIM. AI can find items you viewed but didn't save. Ask, find that web page with the unusual folding phone, and voila, it appears instantly. These tools remember your digital life across screens, browsers, and time. And yes, security remains paramount. All modern cloud AI platforms support on-device encryption and user-controlled data retention. Your iCloud photos are processed locally, and your personal vector database resides on your iPhone. Your queries stay private, ensuring complete recall without sacrificing security. Now, let's discuss reimagining your entire workflow. Start by centralizing your files into AI-optimized platforms like iCloud Drive, Google Drive, or Dropbox with GPT indexing. Next, train the system. Tag files, summarize notes, and utilize clear voice memos. Develop smart search habits using natural language, save searches, and let your AI assistant learn your preferences. Set up automations. Every photo with text. Incorporate OCR. Every scanned document. Auto tag. Each invoice. Organize by client and date. The moment you need something, regardless of its obscurity, you can just speak, type, or gesture, and it will be right there. Your cloud evolves beyond just file storage. It comprehends connections between people, dates, topics, emotions, and actions. It becomes an extension of your mind. The future of file management isn't ordered folders, it's meaning. It's a digital memory network, searchable, proactive, emotionally aware, and always accessible. You will never ask, "Where did I save that?" again. Just say, "Find it," and AI delivers. Whether managing 5 gigabytes or 5 terabytes, whether you're a student, business owner, parent, creator, or a bit of everything, you now have an unparalleled assistant watching over your digital life. It remembers everything, ensuring that nothing is ever lost again. So, smash that like button, subscribe, and activate notifications for more tech challenges, future experiments, and insightful content from TechWave 65.